Hey, what's up guys? Recently had to make a new channel because my last channel was going downhill and there was some idiot disliking all my videos and stuff and reporting me. So anyways, I made a new channel and I'm here to show you my build. So originally I was going to unbox everything, but I just wanted to put it together. I didn't want to wait, got too excited. But anyways, I'm going to run you down through what I got, or the best of my knowledge. So, I got a cheap DVD drive in the front by LG, DVD burner, everything. You guys already know about the case, how all the fans in it and everything. Everything's still stock for the case, but I got a 1.5 terabyte hard drive and the 3.5 disk bay right now. I'm liking that so far. I haven't had that much storage yet and I'm loving it. And then I got the TX750 power supply, and I guess that's enough. Like, I think I overdid it on that a little bit for what I have, but it's pretty good. So then the CPU, I got the 8-core processor by AMD. I love it. It's amazing as far as I know. Never had a computer this good, so it's the best thing I've ever had to try. And then right there we got right back here we got the RAM, 2 8GB sticks of G.SKILL Ripjaws. Those are pretty nice. I haven't had that speed. Then for the graphics card, we got the EVGA GeForce, if you can see that. And it's the something 480, I believe. Got $100 off it. Was originally $300 on Newegg, but I got it for $200. And that's running 1.5 gigs for memory or whatever. And it has 354 bits, if I'm not mistaken. And I'm liking that a lot. It was pretty huge. I don't know if they're supposed to be like that big, but whatever. And then in the back here, for the motherboard, I got a Gigabyte. Actually have the case. 1 second. Got the 990F XA-UD3, and it's still PCI 2.0, but it was AM3 Plus ready, as you can tell, because I got the 8-core. Pretty good. It's got 3.0 and everything. So in the back, that's what it looks like for the USB ports and everything. Got is the HDMI, and then there's the converter right there. Pretty sweet. There's the back of the power supply. I think that's about it, as I recall. My wiring, I haven't really managed it. I just zip tied these together from the power supply. But in the future, I'll do some better wire management. Hopefully get some cool looking lights and extra features in here. Help perform and everything. So let me put the case on real quick. Alright, the case is on now. So that's what it looks like from outside. Not too shabby. Now I'm going to turn it on now. 1 second. Look at there. So here's the top view. Down in there. Everything has a decent glow. I think I can make it glow a little better though once I get some extra fans in there. Better cooling system. And it's got that LED in the front for the case, because you haven't seen that yet, because now I got this power supply. And then we got the fan in the front. I don't know if you can see that, but it glows red. And then there's the bay. I'll shut the lights off. I actually haven't seen it in the dark yet. So there it is in the dark. Not too much of a glow just from that top fan, but still pretty decent for now though. Not bad. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Look forward to doing more stuff to it. I don't know when, but stay tuned. Thanks. Subscribe.